Creating tables. Tables are the fundamental data building blocks of a database. Unless we have database tables with data values stored in them, no other database object can be created. There are mainly two ways to create a table: datasheet view and design view. Creating table using datasheet view. In this method, Access displays a new blank table named Table1. Open in datasheet view. We can add fields to this table simply and can enter data in it. Step 1. Click on Create tab and from the Tables group, click on Table option. Step 2. The new table opens automatically in datasheet view. Notice the new table contains a field name ID having type AutoNumber, which act as the primary key field of the table. If you want to rename this field, double-click on the field heading showing the name ID and give suitable name. Adding new fields in the datasheet view. Step 1. Click on the next column header. Click to add. A list of data types will appear. Choose a data type. Step 2. The default header name, field 1, will appear in the selected mode. Enter the name for the field and press Tab key from your keyboard to move on the next column. Step 3. Repeat the process to create next field. Continue till all the fields are defined. Step 4. Click on Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 5. Give suitable name to your table and click on OK button. Creating table using design view. In this method, table structure is created first. We define field names and their data types before actually creating a table. Step 1. Click on Create tab and from the table group, click on Table Design option. A blank table structure will open in design view. The design view is divided in two sections. For example, field grid area and field properties area. Step 2. Click in the field name columns and enter the field name. Step 3. Click in the data type column and choose the suitable data type for that field. Step 4. Repeat the above process to add rest of the table fields. Step 5. Once finished with the process of defining table fields, save your table and give it a suitable name. Primary key. A table should have at least one field that has a unique value for each record. This field is called the primary key of the table. For example, in a school database, the roll number of each student uniquely identifies each student. Two students can have the same name, but they can never have the same roll number. So the roll number field is the primary key. A primary key does not allow null values. A primary key must always have a unique value. Assigning primary key. Step 1. Select the field name in the design view you want to use as a primary key field. Step 2. Click on primary key in the tool group on the design tab. A key indicator gets added to the left of the field name in the field grid area. Step 3. Save the table structure. Entering data in the table. Once the table structure is defined, we can store data in it. We can enter data in the datasheet view. Step 1. Select View from the Views group of the Home tab and select Datasheet View, or simply double-click the table name in the navigation pane. The selected table will open in the datasheet view, for example, data entry mode. Step 2. Enter the field values while using tab key to navigate from one field to another. New row will be added automatically to enter the next record in the table.